This is the OnePlus 12, the latest marvel in our 2024 flagship lineup. The powerhouse that beats within is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. You might already have heard of it in other places, especially its customized counterpart that's found on the S24 lineup. But this steps up the game significantly over the previous Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, boasting enhanced performance and next-level ray tracing capabilities for your games. However, it's not all sunshine in the case of the OnePlus 12. Despite the hype, the CPU's benchmark scores didn't quite hit the stratosphere, especially in the default mode. Activating high-performance mode can give it a nudge, but it still won't eclipse other flagships sporting the same chip. On the flip side, the GPU is flexing its muscles at full throttle, ensuring peak graphical prowess. The OnePlus 12 flaunts a larger 6.82-inch LTPO OLED screen, boasting a QHD 1440p resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for extra durability. By the way, if you haven't already, subscribe to us for new videos and updates every single day. The screen is a feast for the eyes, giving you razor-sharp images at 510 ppi, that's pixels per inch, and it's as bright as it gets, with a max luminosity of nearly 850 nits, which can skyrocket to 1250 nits. It also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, making every visual stunningly vivid. For those who appreciate the nuances of sound, the OnePlus 12 stereo speakers have undergone a fine-tuning, and the result? A rich, bass-enhanced audio experience. And keeping things secure is a speedy, under-display fingerprint reader, ensuring that your digital world is just a touch away, literally. Oxygen OS 14 draped over Android 14 is the brain of the operation, ensuring a user experience that's seamless and intuitive, albeit reminiscent of its Oppo and Realme cousins. Storage-wise, you're looking at either 256 or 512 gigabytes of non-expandable space, making sure you've got room for all your digital treasures. The OnePlus 12 enjoyed a beefier 5400 mAh battery, clocking in at over 14 hours of active use. Plus, with a 100-watt charger, you can zap it in from 0 to 70% in just 15 minutes. And if you're into the wireless lifestyle, 50-watt fast wireless charging has got your back. The OnePlus 12's camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 64-megapixel telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The main camera delivers crisp, detailed shots with wide dynamic range and vibrant colors. The telephoto lens impresses with sharp zoomed-in photos, and the ultra-wide captures expansive scenes with great detail and dynamic range. Night mode brings out the best in low light conditions, ensuring your memories are captured with clarity and color accuracy. Saving the aesthetic discourse for last, the OnePlus 12 doesn't stray far from its lineage in looks, but introduces subtle enhancements for a fresh feel. Encased in Gorilla Glass 5, the device's matte finish is elegantly complemented by marbled and glittered accents, with a camera setup that's as distinctive as it is familiar, nestled within a circular island on the back. It's hefty, yes, but in a way that reassures you of its build quality. For those moments when life gets a bit messy, the IP65 dust and splash resistance is there to keep you worry-free. If you want this phone, you can get it from Amazon right now if you scan this QR code. The link is, of course, also in the description box below. The OnePlus 12 makes its mark as a formidable contender in the flagship realm, with notable upgrades that enrich the user experience. While it may not lead the pack in every aspect, the ingress protection and some video recording quirks, both of which could have been better, it's a solid choice for anyone seeking top-tier performance, a stellar display, and a photography prowess. So if you're in the market for a high-end smartphone that balances innovation with reliability, the OnePlus 12 deserves your attention. This is Marty. I'll see you tomorrow.